Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a story about the golden touch. Once upon a time there was a king called Midas. He was rich, very rich, and he was fond of collecting gold. Thought he loved gold a lot. But there was only one thing in the whole world he loved more. It was his lovely little daughter. King Midas kept all his gold in the dark room in his palace. He would go down to this dark room and spend hours just looking at all the gold he had collected. He never knew the value of his collection because he never counted the number of ingots he had. He loved to sit down and just look at all his gold. He should have been a happy man, but he was not. He was always, "I want more." One day, sitting in the dark room, watching over his gold, he saw a strange appearing out of his shadow. "Midas, you must be a happy man. You have a lot of gold." Midas did not stop thinking who the stranger was. "No, I am not happy. I do not have enough gold. I want more." "How much gold do you need to be happy? I wish that everything I would touch would turn into gold." "Are you sure you want your wish to come true?" "Yes, I would be very happy if I had the golden touch." The stranger granted him the golden touch and disappeared. So, the next morning, when the sunbeam entered Midas' room, he would woke up. He started to touch things within his reach, and as soon as he did, they turned into gold. The bunch of roses in a vase, the curtains, the bedsheets, and his clothes all turned to gold. He ran down to the garden, which is full of blooming roses. Every flower he touched turned into gold. Satisfied at having found so much gold, King Midas went for breakfast. Alas, the food and ring he touched turned to solid gold. The worst was still to come. His little daughter, who rushed into his arms, also turned into a gold statue. Now Midas was in great sorrow and despair. "How I wish I can poorest man on the earth. If only I could get my daughter back." Suddenly, the stranger who had given him the golden touch appeared before him. "Are you happy, dear Midas, now that you can turn everything into gold?" "I have never been more miserable in my life. I have lost what I truly love. Now I know that gold is not everything. Take back my golden touch, I beg of you, and give my daughter back to me." The stranger took pity on the king. "Bring some water from the river that flows near your palace. Sprinkle that water over everything." Midas rushed to fill a jug with the river water. Soon, the jug and the king's outfit started getting back to their original state. Then he poured some water over his daughter. The statue immediately, his little daughter smiled and hugged him. Then he ran around the garden and the palace. He kept on pouring water to bring everything back to the original form. After this, King Midas went on to become a wise and noble king. He had learned that gold was not the most precious thing in the world. Thanks for watching.